Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the Boomerang Biker channel. So on one of my more recent videos I showed you how to install an SAE connector onto your battery so that you could trickle charge it overnight. I also gave you a quick look at a tire compressor, and that's led to a few questions. People are wondering what type of compressor that is and where they can buy it. If you're looking for a tire compressor to keep on your bike, then please stay tuned to the video. Well, thanks for staying along with me on the video. If you're a new visitor to the channel, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll really help me grow the channel, and I really appreciate your support. So, time for a big drum roll. Here it comes. That is the tire compressor I'm using. It's the Pocket Pump from Motopressor. It's actually designed in Australia by a company called Rocky Creek. Having said that, like everything else, it's manufactured out in China, but the quality is pretty good. Let's move in for a closer look. So let's take a closer look at the Motopressor Pocket Pump. This normally lives in my panniers, but I've kept the box because I'm quite impressed with the quality, and I thought I'd do a review and sort of an unboxing video at some stage. So here we are. So let's take it out of the box. It actually comes standard with a neoprene, so wetsuit type pouch, which is quite generous, and I usually keep other items in there as well as the compressor. I've just took them out for the video. Take a look inside the bag, and you can see it actually comes with a set of alligator or crocodile clips as standard, and it comes with an SAE battery connector. I haven't used that because if you've seen my other video, I've actually installed one with an inline fuse. If you haven't seen that video, then check it out on my channel. So let's take a quick look at the compressor. It also comes with some nice cable ties, some nice straps there to keep everything nice and tidy, and you can see straight off just how neat but good quality this is. And at the back there is the on-off switch. So what we'll do now is hook it up to the bike and give you a quick demo. Okay, so let's get in there and show you how to use the Pocket Pump to inflate a tire. Now, one of the great things about my recent install of the Lone Rider quick release kit is it allows you to quickly release the bag so you can get a bit more space. So what we'll do is take off the Velcro strap there, which helps to keep everything nice and neat. As luck would have it, I'm parked right where I can get to the valve cap. So we'll just take that off, and then we screw on the hose or the connector. I don't know what the technical name is. You can see, you can hear the air coming out a little bit, so I'm definitely on. Put the dust cap in my pocket because we're bound to lose it on the gravel here, and then we'll undo the Velcro on this one, and then we can get at the cable. Now again, in my last video I showed you how to install the SAE cable on your battery, and we simply take off the waterproof cover, plug in the cable, okay, and then we should be good to go. As I said, the on and off, should I say, the on and off switch is at the back there, and we'll just hit the switch. I'm not going to go through the whole thing of deflating the tire to blow it back up. I'm pretty sure you'll understand the principle, and I'll just flick this on. It is quite noisy. And there we go, it's as easy as that. Now, I've actually only used this once, but I was stuck out in the middle of nowhere, and I had a low tire pressure warning come up on the TFT, and I couldn't find any nails or anything, but I pulled this out and added in a little bit of extra air just for safety, Now, one thing that I would recommend is that you always run the bike, and I haven't done it just for the sound on the video. I'd always run the bike whilst I'm inflating my tires. We don't want to flatten the battery in the middle of nowhere. So that's the end of my show and tell on the Motopressor pocket pump. I hope you found that useful. Just want to tell you I'm not sponsored by these guys. It's a totally independent review. I just thought you'd find it useful because I think it's a decent piece of kit. Whilst we're talking about sharing, a little bit of a shout out for my buddy Stefan, who's in the UK. He's got a great channel that's similar to mine, motorcycle adventures and gear reviews, and that's called Moto Travel UK. I'll stick a link up here, and hopefully you can see his logo now. If you're not on my channel and you're looking for similar content, then zoom over to his channel and check him out. Anyway, thanks again for dropping by. As always, ride safe and have a great day.